Hey, what is up guys? It's your boy Lit Candles here, back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Crown of Madness on Piggy. So first what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get on Chapter 2 and obviously on Piggy. And once you've got on Piggy, if you're in a private server, what you're going to need to do is you're going to set the trader mode and set the map to Chapter 1. But you're going to need to beg people if you're in a public game to choose Chapter 1 and Trader. Trader doesn't always pop up though. So it's kind of like a 50-50. I wish the Piggy devs would make it so Trader always pops up during this event. So once the game starts, what you're going to need to do is you're going to immediately get the red key. And you're going to need to mop up that area as well. Where are you, red key? Okay. The keys are usually on benches. Oh, see, look. Bench. Point proven. So once you have gotten this key, what you're going to need to do... Okay, I think the broom... Okay. That jump scared me. I was looking off to the side of my screen. Okay. Door? Okay, door is open. So once that door is open, you're going to need to get the broom. There it is. Let's go. Yay. Woo. Let's now get in here and mop up this. And the next step you're not going to be able to start doing till the 5-minute mark. And the next step is going to be... So once you fully unlocked that room, you're going to have someone make sure you're chasing Raz to distract him so you don't end up dying. Basically, if you're in a coordinated server, you're going to need to be the person to knock on a door. The door sound is going to sound like this. So once you've heard the knock, it knocked twice, you're going to need to run back to the cafe and you're going to have to find the red dice which is hidden behind one of the benches. And obviously you're going to have to make it land on the 2. And here it is, the dice. Hit it twice and make sure you're not getting killed by Raz. Run back to where the door knocking sound is at and you're going to have to click it again and it's going to yet again make you listen to it and make some more knocking noises. So this time it knocked 3 times and you're going to have to go to the laundromat. This is going to be a green dice next to the laundry machines. And just so you guys know, it doesn't knock the same amount of times for everyone, so you can't just copy off of what I'm doing. You're going to have to do this on your own. And yes, I know it's going to be stressful and painful to do, but we're just going to have to work for it together. This time it knocked 4 times and you're going to need to go to where the yellow safe is and the laundromat area. This is locked behind a green key, so make sure you get that green key room unlocked. And now that you have this area unlocked, now you have to go back into that main room. You're going to need to click on the door and it's going to open. So once you've entered that room, there's going to be your first puzzle, which is you have to get these little levers to all face where the wall is. And once that happens, this door is going to open, and this is where your next puzzle is going to be, where you have to blow out all of these torches. The torches you have to blow out are just the 4 main ones by these pillars, and once you have blown out all these little torches, it's going to open up the last room, and this room is probably the hardest one in my opinion. What you're going to need to do is, remember the dice knocking noises, you're going to have to find the coordinated number to which ones you knocked on. So that's pretty much it, and once you've done that, the last area is going to unlock, and once you go in there, you can basically you get the Crown of Madness. And I will just show you people doing it on the screen right now and getting the Crown of Madness for proof so y'all don't think I'm lying. So that's all for you guys. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content and hit that post notification bell so you are notified on all the tutorials for RB Battles and the Ready Player 2 event. Thank you for watching. Peace out.